Rubber wood. Oh. Rubber wood. Oh. Rubber wood. Oh.
The log raft in the photograph would have been constructed from giant logs that were floated down the river to sawmills or shipping ports for further processing. This method of transporting logs was both practical and dangerous. The logs, often measuring several feet in diameter, were lashed together to form large, unwieldy rafts that could span hundreds of feet in length.
If you don't think we're in a different reality, this is proof. I don't remember this in 1969 to have jetpacks, a four-wheel drive Model T, so you can travel through the rivers. How about a flying platform that you can put a sniper on it? So stay tuned, and I will explain why this plane did not go down in the ocean and made it home. These German people, they were very advanced. They can hear aircraft before they even show up on the radar. Now these tree towers, you can put a sniper on there, you can start shooting people through the trees. Here's a Zoom call in 1968. And then later on, I found this night vision that you can put on your gun or a rifle, and you can. That is crazy. Welcome to your new reality.
It's as if something or someone is actively rewriting reality. And the changes? They are picking up speed. So, what's happening to our world?
This is a Penguinati production.
Why did the Germans put huge rings on their airplanes during World War II? This strange device could be seen on Junkers Ju-52 transport planes. At first glance, it looked bizarre, a large ring mounted under the wings and fuselage. So what was it for? By the end of 1939, the British had begun using magnetic sea mines to threaten the German fleet. traditional minesweeping methods could no longer handle the scale of the mine warfare. So, engineers from the Kriegsmarine came up with a solution: equip aircraft with a system that generated a powerful magnetic field. When one of these Junkers flew at an altitude of 20 meters, the mines would detonate. Despite the danger, the method proved effective. In the German military, these planes were nicknamed Mausi-Flugzeug, mouse aircraft. Because of these planes, the British were forced to urgently develop more sophisticated mines, with delayed detonation or double fuses. Why did the Germans put...
World War II impact. Envision an aircraft so Mosquito's World War II impact. Envision an aircraft so uniquely crafted and versatile that it earned the nickname the Wooden Wonder, introducing the de Havilland DH-98 Mosquito, a marvel of engineering predominantly constructed from wood. This aircraft defied conventional design expectations and rose to prominence as one of the most adaptable and formidable multi-role combat aircraft of its time. Serving as a fighter and bomber, its innovative wooden construction and superior capabilities made it a pivotal player in shaping military aviation history. The conception of the Mosquito originated from the innovative mind of Sir Geoffrey de Havilland. At a time when metal was the primary material for aircraft construction, de Havilland proposed building an aircraft almost entirely from wood. This decision was partly driven by wartime shortages of metals like aluminum, but also by de Havilland's belief in the potential of wood to provide strength, flexibility, and speed. The Mosquito's frame was made from layers of birch and balsa wood, pressed together in a mold to create a lightweight yet sturdy structure, covered by a thin layer of doped Madapolum fabric. This unconventional choice of materials made the Mosquito lighter and faster than many of its metal counterparts. Capable of reaching speeds up to 400 miles per hour, it could outrun many fighters of its era, including the German Messerschmitt Bauff 109. The Mosquito's lightweight design not only contributed to its speed, but also allowed it to carry a significant payload, making it an excellent platform for both bombing raids and precision strikes. Due to its wooden construction, the Mosquito also had a lower radar signature than metal aircraft, making it harder for enemy forces to detect and intercept. This attribute, combined with its formidable speed, made the Mosquito one of the most effective stealth bombers of its time. The Mosquito's ability to adapt to various roles was perhaps its most extraordinary feature. Initially designed as a fast bomber, it was quickly adapted for multiple other missions, including reconnaissance, pathfinding, and even as a night fighter. As a pathfinder, Mosquito's accuracy and ability to evade enemy defense systems ensured the success of many bombing campaigns. In the role of a night fighter, equipped with radar, the Mosquito intercepted German night raiders, leveraging its speed and agility to outmaneuver and defeat the enemy. The Havilland Mosquito remains a monumental testament to wartime innovation, a beacon of clever design and strategic prowess that significantly impacted the Allies' success.
This is called rubber wood. You can see how flexible this plywood is, and it's great for projects just like this. Like and comment.
The lumber has a dense, coarse grain which makes it unsuitable for use in fine furniture, but it is strong and cheap, which makes it ideal for lower-priced imported products. Since the old rubber trees used to be burned, but are now recycled as furniture, rubberwood lumber is sometimes promoted as being eco-friendly. Rubberwood is mostly a component of furniture, but appears in flooring and in general construction. Very tough and durable, rubberwood is resistant to molds, fungus and bacteria.
This has been a Pinguinati production. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, links are in the description.